Moonstone is an Eclipse plugin for Java that provides exception information directly in the code editor in order to help developers better understand exception control flow, and this supports developers in writing better exception handlers. Even though tokens like try, catch, or throw can give hints about the behavior of code in the face of exceptions, in the end, it can be hard if not impossible to figure out which exceptions might occur and where they handled just by looking at a piece of code. To help, Moonstone provides what we call ghost comments. Method calls are annotated with their declared exceptions in form of an overlay that looks just like a regular comment. This helps to identify where exceptions might arise from. To follow the flow of an exception, the user can either hover over the call that throws the exception or the ghost comment. Via the highlights in code and the legend in the pop-up, skipped code and responsible handlers can easily be identified. If the user selection is ambiguous, the user can select among all possible flows which one to follow. To reduce visual clutter, we hide the ghost comments once users leave the current try block with their text cursor. To prevent common problems found in our investigation, Moonstone features analyses and automatic resolutions for poor exception handling practices. For instance, due to Java's exception type hierarchy, overly generic catch handlers can also inadvertently become responsible for recovering from subtle faults, including faults caused by programmer errors. Moonstone provides a detailed explanation for detected problems and offers automatic resolutions to resolve them. These are designed to introduce programmers to new exception handling features when they're helpful. For example, here Moonstone recommends using Java's new Try with Resources feature, which can result in more reliable code. Last but not least, Moonstone provides examples of other exception handlers from the current project that deal with the exception the current catch handler is responsible for. This allows users to get an overview of existing exception handling code and can help to discover required recovery procedures or project-specific conventions. In this case, it seems like we should log the exception to be consistent with the rest of the project. This was a short introduction to Moonstone. Thank you for watching.